Welcome back. Today we will be learning how to code a Discord bot using JavaScript, specifically Node.js. Now first, this video will be a setup video. We will be covering more commands and stuff. If you know basic JavaScript, you might be able to skip ahead to the next tutorial. I'll include that on the end screen whenever it comes out. But if you're a beginner, the first thing you want to do is download Node.js. It is essentially the application JavaScript that will let you run things on your computer. So I'm just going to download the recommended on Node.js. The link will be in the description. We can open it once it's done. So now Node's open, let's install that onto our computer. We can accept the license agreement. Program files. This is all good. Make sure add to path is here, otherwise this will make it extremely hard to figure out how to do that manually. We can tell it to automatically install the necessary tools, and we can install. It'll ask us for a confirmation when it starts installing. So now that we have downloaded Node.js, we can go to our desktop and create a folder called Discord bot. This will be a folder that we use to store all of our files. Next, we can open up command prompt. In command prompt, we can do cd desktop. Now, cd basically means change directory, so we will change the directory that the command prompt is running in from just our users folder into our desktop. Then we do cd discord bot. And now we are open in our Discord bot. So I'm just going to clear the command prompt window really quickly. Now we need to do npm init. And it will create our package. We can go with most of this as the same. We can edit it later. And then yes, it is okay. And that's good. So now I can clear this again, and we can do npm install discord.js. Now this will install Discord's directory straight into it. And that's pretty much all we need to do with command prompt for now. So let's move over back in our web browser. Make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed, and you can open it. Now we just want to open our folder. We want to open our Discord bot folder, select that folder. It's open, and we have our package.json and our package lock.json. We shouldn't need to change either of these. If you have a test command or if you have any of this stuff, you can put that in. But as you notice, it says our main is index.js. Now this does not exist yet. So let's create a new file, and we'll do index, and then the file extension is JS for JavaScript. Now whenever we run our bot, it'll check the package and it'll say, okay, index.js is what I have to run, and then it'll go to index.js and run that. Now to tell our script that we are actually coding a Discord bot, we want to create a constant, so const discord be equal to require single quotes, make sure the semicolon's there, discord.js in all lowercase. Now next we want to obviously tell it that it is a bot, and another word for bot is client in Discord's eyes, so we'll write const client be equal to new discord.client. Make sure that it is new, because otherwise it's going to try accessing something that doesn't exist. Also make sure the C is capital on client. Now that's all we need for now. If we open up our web browser, we actually need to open up the Discord permissions calculator and our Discord applications. So if we look at the Discord developer portal, the first result, we have all this. Now I've already started, I created a tutorial bot, but the way you do this is by clicking new application. Once you're there, you go into bot and you create a bot for it. Now, once you do that, you want to reveal your token. Your token is actually how you log into this bot and tell the internet that you are actually running that bot. Now that means that anyone around the world can use this same token on screen to run my bot. So obviously I will regenerate it later. So if I just copy it, we want to tell our client to log in using this token in single quotes. Now, once that is done, we can add our bot to our actual Discord server. So we do that by looking at the Discord permissions calculator and just the first one. Now, normally we'll just select all of these and it should work. Then there'll be a link and you can click the link and choose to add it to your server. I've already done that. Our bot is actually right here. Now, after that's done, we want to tell ourselves actually when the bot is online. So we will do client.once, which means it'll wait for this event to happen. We want to do ready, which means it's ready to detect input from our script, of course, comma, 2 brackets is equal to right, or well, greater than sign. And then we want our curly braces. And a semicolon at the end. Now we want to just write console.log bot is online. Then at the bottom, if you do not have this console terminal thing, just click on a plus sign, or you can go into terminal and click new terminal. Then you just want to write simply node dot, which will tell Node to run our application. Now it says the bot is online and we can go into our Discord. And as we can see, our bot is online. Now that's it for this tutorial today. You can make sure you go into our Discord. I actually will provide a link to our tutorial Discord in another episode when we start coding commands, so you guys can all try them out. This is how you create a standard Discord bot. I feel that the hardest part about making a Discord bot is actually the startup, and so I just showed a quick and easy tutorial on that. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next week in our other Discord bot tutorial.